Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic fan belt. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench set, a new serpentine belt, and a diagram of the belt's routing. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate protective gear. Understanding the belt's path is crucial for a smooth replacement process. This preparation will save you time and effort later on. Now, let's remove the old belt. Locate the tensioner pulley, which typically has a square opening for a breaker bar or a specific bolt for adjustment. Apply pressure to the tensioner to release the belt's tension. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the old belt off each pulley, paying close attention to its original routing. This step requires a bit of leverage, so ensure you have a sturdy grip on your tools. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys. Double-check that the belt is perfectly seated in each groove on every pulley. Once routed, apply pressure to the tensioner again, then slowly release it, allowing the tensioner to secure the new belt firmly. A properly routed belt is essential for your engine's accessories to function correctly. After installation, start your Honda Civic's engine and observe the new belt. Listen for any unusual squealing or flapping noises and visually confirm that the belt is tracking correctly on all pulleys. Take a short test drive, then re-inspect the belt for any signs of misalignment or premature wear. Regular checks can extend your belt's life. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go. Your car and your body will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.